Hello, everyone. I'm Monica. And if you got to this video, it's because you're probably looking for a natural and practical product that can help you with weight loss, and most importantly, without suffering from strict diets. I'm talking about the newest and most consumed solution in the USA at the moment, which is the Breakfast Burn in SPY format. I will talk about its main benefits if it really works, how to use Breakfast Burn testimonials and guarantee. But stay until the end of the video because I have a very important alert, right? Well, Breakfast Burn is an internal space supplement that combined with your breakfast increases metabolic rate and thus aids in burning unstable fat. While accelerating your metabolism daily, it helps to burn fat located in those places that most affect us and also increases our energy and disposition. That is, it has beneficial factors to be used every day. Anyone can make use of Breakfast Burn, as women and men who want an easy-to-use supplement that wants to lose calories more easily. It allows you to feel the power of your metabolism at rest by working day and night to melt stubborn fat while you relax and continue your day. The most important thing is that you don't have to worry if the formula is bad, as it is 100% natural, made with pure vegan ingredients, gluten-free and repairers. It is manufactured in the United States at an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility. It has a great taste and dissolves easily in the mouth. Thousands of people like to take Breakfast Burn daily with zero reported side effects. For best results, simply spray the Breakfast Burn as indicated in the mouth every day after breakfast or any other meal. Research shows that it is best to take Breakfast Burn consistently for at least 90 to 180 days for optimal results. The longer and more consistently you take Breakfast Burn, the more benefits you will get. Breakfast Burn has a 180-day satisfaction guarantee and a 100% money-back guarantee. If you do not have results and are not satisfied, it is sold in kits with a special offer for the purchase of 3 or 6 bottles. This way you guaranteed better results in improving your metabolism, stubborn fat burning and more energy. Now I have a very important alert for you to avoid falling for blow or buying a fake bottle. Breakfast Burn is sold only on the official website of the manufacturer to ensure its formula and real benefits. It is not sold on other sites like Amazon or eBay. To help you, the official website of the Breakfast Burn supplement is below in the description of this video. Many people are getting great results with the supplement, as its effectiveness is proven and works with anyone who wants to boost their metabolism and accelerate fat burning naturally. Any questions? Leave in the comments. The official website of Breakfast Burn is below in the description. Thank you for your attention.